Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 6 healthy lunch recipes for you. Hope it will be helpful for you.
Our first recipe is milk and fruits. This is a very healthy and quick recipe. The ingredients are dry fruits, raw fruits and milk. You can take fruits according to your choice. Now cut the fruits into small pieces and place the fruits in a bowl. Now add some milk and mix it properly. Now add some dry fruits. Here I have used almond, raisin and cashew nut. You can use whatever dry fruits you like. You can have it directly or keep it in the freezer for some time. Do not add sugar at any point. And now our fruits and milk is ready to eat. Isn't it very easy and quick? Our second recipe is brown bread with chickpeas and egg. The ingredients are brown chickpeas, eggs, onion, chili, coriander, garlic, black pepper, salt. Heat the pan and add 1 to 2 spoons of olive oil and fry the onion. You can add green chili and curry leaves if you want. Now add the brown chickpeas and mix it properly. Add some salt and black pepper according to your taste. Now add some turmeric powder and garlic paste. Mix it and cook it for 5 minutes. After cooking it for 5 minutes, now add the eggs and mix it properly. At the end, you can add some coriander. Here I have taken 2 slices of bread and cut it into small pieces. In a pan, melt some butter and fry the bread. If you want it to be more healthy, then you can skip the butter. And our bread with chickpeas and egg is ready to have. If you want to have chatpata and spicy lunch, then this is the best option. Our next recipe is khichdi with vegetables. Here I have taken dal, rice, soya chunks, pumpkin, corn, tomatoes, peanut, green chili, onion, garlic, pointed gourd and drumstick. You can take any vegetables you like. Heat the pressure cooker and add 2 to 3 spoons of olive oil. Now add mustard seed, garlic, onion, peanut and green chili. Also add salt, turmeric powder and mix it properly. Now add all the vegetables one by one. Pumpkin, pointed gourd, corn, soya chunks, drumsticks, tomatoes. Mix all the vegetables with spices properly. Add some water and cook it for some time. After 3 to 4 minutes, add rice and dal and mix it properly. Now add water, cover the pressure cooker and wait for 3 whistles. At the end, you can add some coriander if you want. I am serving this with omelette, cucumber and tomato salad and also with buttermilk. Our next recipe is peanut and banana sandwich. To make this, we will be required brown bread, banana and peanut. Here I am using 4 slices of brown bread. Cut the banana into small pieces and apply peanut butter on the bread. Now take 1 slice of bread and fill it with banana pieces. And here is our banana and peanut sandwich is ready to eat. Our next recipe is corn salad. The ingredients are boiled corn, cucumber, tomatoes, onion, green chili, coriander, lemon, salt and black pepper. First of all, boil the corn for 4 to 5 minutes. Now in a bowl, take out the corn and add cucumber, tomato and onion into it. Also add salt, black pepper, green chili, coriander and mix it properly. You can also squeeze some lemon into it. Our last recipe is chicken with vegetables. The ingredients are chicken, capsicum, tomatoes, pointed gourd, carrot, onion, cucumber, coriander, black pepper and salt. Heat the pan and add 2 spoons of olive oil and fry the onion. Then add chicken and fry it for some time. Add salt and black pepper according to your taste. Now add garlic paste and vegetables one by one. Add all the vegetables and mix it properly and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes and you are done. I am serving this with cucumber salad. So this recipe is full of protein and fiber. If you like my video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.